Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we've got two identical fans at the same speed. One is located at sea level, the other one is on the summit of a mountain, which has the higher or lower volume flow rate, and the same for mass flow rates. Summary: at sea level, the fan has a higher air density, meaning the mass flow rate will be higher, and the same speed means the same volume flow rate for both. We can dive a little bit deeper. So since the air density is greater at sea level compared to the summit of the high mountain, the volume flow rates of the fans are identical, so operating at the same speed, so they will remain the same or remain equal. However, the fan at sea level will have a higher mass flow rate due to the increased air density compared to the summit of the mountain. So that's just a longer-winded version of the summary. Alright, so before we leave, I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC, just in case it gets taken down, or the channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. I'm sure you're all familiar with snipping tool. If you never used it before, follow the instructions below. If you're on Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. So you can find it in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, you can just search it up by going to Windows Search and typing snipping tool. So once you've opened up snipping tool, click on the video option, click on new, left click the rectangle and cover the YouTube video screen. This is just an example. Click the start button and wait for the countdown. Then hit the replay button, let the video finish, and then hit the red square to start recording, and then save your video. So like and subscribe, share with your friends. This is a made-up question, so they probably won't find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.